This is the car. This is how it is. Drop in. Today is what is the date today?
Today is 22nd April.
22nd of April, and it is around 4 p.m. in the evening. We are seeing this. And this is the note. Really. So we are going to pick this up. This note. Someone has messaged this.
But the rear side for the police went like this, so they hit your rear end and the PostNL they hit it.
Where is the post?
PostNL is already gone.
Oh, okay.
So he had 2 cars.
Oh, God.
And he left this information in here
But when did this happen?
today,
No, what time?
roughly around 12:30.
Okay,
And,
because
okay.
we are home working. We didn't know. One of
Yeah.
our neighbors just called us and informed, and that's why we come down immediately.
We tried to contact everyone. We have called the police. We called everyone, and we didn't get a response. So that's why we told him, put something on the screen. I make pictures from everything, also your car.
Okay.
So he's gonna contact you. If not, come to our store. We know who did it.
Which store?
Fietswinkel.nl.
Oh,
We know, and this one is a different one.
okay.
Yeah, this one is different one.
You know also what happened.
Also, yeah.
They can. He knows what
Your
happened.
your purse, your
wallet,
purse. Okay.
It's not.
First was this accident, second accident, and the third one was the customer. Second accident where? Yeah, that's already gone. It's from PostNL. What he did, he turned back.
Oh, you find the
Called
note
it
on
like
it.
this.
Called it already.